What's up guys, HBK back with another video, and today we're going to be looking at how to clean your diamonds. So before I even get into this video, I just filmed this whole thing and I bought a new mic and I used it, and the audio was trash, so I'm not using that anymore. And if I miss anything and I go quick, that's why. And another thing before we get started is somebody left a comment in my other video about cleaning gold chains, and I was using these. I didn't know they take off gold, so I will not be using these anymore. So yeah, let's get into the video. So same thing as cleaning the gold chains. I like to use this solution. I'm not gonna do it because I really need to buy some new solution. It's really gross. So anyways, drop it in there for 30 seconds. I usually take it out a little bit longer because it has a brush in there. And then I'll just take it out, brush it, and then I'll just rinse it under some warm water. Not hot water, just warm water. And yeah, just rinse the solution off and it should be shiny. That should have polished your diamonds up right there. But another method you could do is you can buy one of these. I mentioned this in my other video too. You can buy one of these sonic cleaners, I think they're called. And then what they do is just send sonic waves with little vibrations through the water to get all the little dust and debris out from the corner nicks and crannies. But the only thing with this is you gotta buy a special solution. You could use just soap and water, but if you do that, I found it does not work as well. But with saying that, I have not used it with the solution. So if you want to see that, leave a comment and I'll buy some solution and use it. And I'll do one of these with soap and water, and then I'll do the other with the actual solution. So leave a comment down below which I should do solution and which I should do water. If you like one of these chains, let me know which one you like better. If you like these two, my next one that I have planned is gonna be sick. So like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff for me, help this channel grow. Oh, and that's another thing I want to say. Thank you so much for 100, I think we're at 125 or something like that now, subscribers. So honestly, I never thought I would even get one. So thank you guys so much. I know I only really have like 1% that are actually come back and watch my videos, but thank you a lot for supporting this channel. And if you're seeing this, like, comment, subscribe, because like you saw at the beginning of the video, I do try to invest money into making these videos better and stuff, and I always will, but this time it just didn't work out. Anyways, yeah, if you like one of these pendants, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and HBK signing out.